Hi, in this video, we will compare Surfer SEO and seoClarity. Surfer SEO is on-page SEO optimization and competitor analysis. If you prioritize in-depth competitor analysis, on-page SEO optimization, and data-driven content planning for higher rankings, then Surfer SEO is best. seoClarity is an enterprise-level SEO platform that provides a wider range of features. If you have a larger organization that needs a comprehensive SEO platform with advanced features like technical SEO analysis and competitor research, then seoClarity is best. On Surfer SEO, you can generate briefs with catchy headlines in seconds. Write and optimize content in any language. Ensure the authenticity of your article and avoid potential penalties. Surfer SEO also allows you to integrate with Google Docs, WordPress, Jasper, and more. Surfer SEO does not just generate articles, it also generates traffic. Surfer SEO gives you a 7-day free trial with each plan and starts at $89 per month. If you are using a rank tracker, then seoClarity provides essential SEO tools for rankings, keyword research, and AI content optimization. If you are using multiple SEO tools, then seoClarity is the only complete enterprise SEO platform for your entire organization, providing analysis, data collection, and reporting. seoClarity eliminates site errors and improves site usability. seoClarity also provides split testing for large-scale sites. seoClarity provides custom pricing based on the number of keyword search queries. If you want to use both Surfer SEO and seoClarity, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.